So we are told these triangles are similar. What is the perimeter of XYZ? So in order to find the perimeter, I need to find XY and I need to find YZ. So let's think about this. Let's figure out what sides go together. I know, let's see, AB are the first two. So we know that AB goes with XY, because those are the first two. So AB goes to XY. Okay, does that help me? Have the red missing that. Let's set up another one. We know that AC, which is first and last, would go with first and last. So AC would go with XZ. So we know that this blue goes with this blue. And then, of course, the rest would be BC goes with XZ. So we need to start with one we know. So on the blue, we got 6 and 9. The red, we have 3 missing, and the pink, we have 8 missing. So we really need to start with what we know. And the one we know is 6, and that pink's going to be confusing. We know we got 6 to 9. So I'm going to set up my proportion as 6 over 9. And so it doesn't matter what you want to find first. That's fine. We'll let this be A since we already used X and Y. We'll let this be A. So if we go 6 to 9, we would go 3 to A. So that equals 3 to A. And doing the math, that'd be 6A is 27. Take 27 divided by 6, and you get 4.5. So A equals 4.5. So I could over here say that A, this one, is 4.5. Now let's find, we'll call that B. And I just realized we already had an A over there, but we'll just go with it. Let's see. So I could do 6. I could do 3 to 4.5 if I wanted to now, but I think I would rather just stay with the 6 to 9. So 6 to 9. And I went 6 to 9. And we're trying to find B, so we're going to go 8 to B. Cross multiply, and you get 6B, and 9 times 8 would be 72, and 72 divided by 6 is 12. So I just found this is 12. They want me to find the perimeter of XYZ, so all I need to do is take 9 plus 4.5 plus 12. And what is 9 plus 4.5 plus 12? That is 25.5. So I just found the perimeter. I am done. The answer would be C. Circle all the true statements regarding the similar figures below. Wow, this is a lot of statements. So let's see. ABCD is similar to GHEF. So I noticed that this has been not rotated, not reflected. It has been just translated. So let's just kind of make sure they go A, B, C, D. So they go A, B, C, D. So this one needs to go in the same order. And notice it does G, H, E, F. So this one is true. It looks like I'm crossing it off. It's not what I'm trying to show. So we're supposed to circle, so I'll circle this one. Okay. Let's see, another similarity statement. Let's look at that. So on this one, they go F, E, H, G. So they go F, and it's okay to start with this one. They go F, E to H to G. So if you're going to call a similar, you need to start at D. So we would need to start at D, which they do not. So this one is new. Angle A is congruent to angle G. Are those in the same place? So is A in the same place as G? Yes. So that one's true. Let's see, BCDA. So this time they go BCDA. Let's see. They start with this one. They go BCDA. So if I'm going to do similarity, it should be HEFG. And it is. That is a true statement. Now we're going to talk about proportions. And they do AB to GH. Let's see. So they go AB to GH. So I went left to right. That's fine. Those are proportionate. And then they go CD to EF. And notice they went left to right, left to right. So that one would be true. Next one. They go BA to HG. Okay, left to right. But then when they go left to right, then they go right to left. And so you can't go left, right, and then right, left. So this one would be a new. Now, which of the following is true? There exists a series of rigid motions that takes ABCD onto GEHEF. Now, rigid motions would mean that the shape stays exactly the same. So that would mean it's either translated, reflected, or rotated. That's not true, because notice this actually got bigger. So we can't talk about rigid motions. This would be what we call a dilation. And so there exists a series of similarity transformations that carry the first one onto the last one. Yeah, we would call those, that would be the true statement, because we had a dilation and the figure got bigger.